Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 700003, then let's look for the solution. So folks, there is only one solution here. This error only occurs because of the fact that we are logged on to a public network like in a school or in the office, and the system administrator of that network has prohibited certain apps from being used or certain files from being downloaded or being shared, or certain activities have been controlled by him or her. So the only way to fix this is to go to settings, right click on the start bar, look for settings, and then look for accounts. All right, and go to access work or school. Now see, I am not connected to any work or school account. It's a private network and I am the administrator. But if you are, then you just press disconnect here. Now once you do that, disconnect, you restart the computer. You left click on the start button, left click on the power button, and you click on restart. Once you restart and you come online, now you have to log in to the account. Here you have to log in to this account using Microsoft, any Microsoft ID, which you can create on Outlook or Hotmail, and that should solve the error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.